December 1st, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Drag the arrow, so these blue arrows, to match the ratio table to its correct graph. All right, so we're going to match these ratio tables to the correct graph. All right, so we have our x-axis and our y-axis. So the first table we have is 0 and 0. So the coordinate would be 0, 0. Ooh, we know that the coordinate that's 0, 0 is the origin. Does this one have a point at 0, 0? No. Does this one have a point at 0, 0? Yes. Does this one have a point at 0, 0? No. So the only answer for this first graph is going to be this one. So you went over 0, up 0, so you just stayed there at the starting point. Then we can check over 1 up 2, over 1 up to 2, yep. Over 3 up 6, over to that 3 up to that 6, yep. Over to that 4 up to the 8, over 4 up to 8, yep. All those are correct, so that is the match. All right, let's take a look at the next two. X-axis 2, y-axis 2. So we have a point at 2 and 2. Let's take a look. Do we have a point at 2 and 2? Nope, not here. What about this one? 2 and 2? Yes, we do. All right, so let's double check though. 3 and then 4, over 3 up to that 4, yep. Over 4 up to 6, over 4 up to 6, yep. Over 5 up 8, over 5 up 8, yep. And that is good to go. Let's double check this one. 1 and 4, over 1 up to that 4, yes. Over 2 up 6, over 2 up to that 6, yes. Over 3 up to 8, over 3 up to 8, yep. Over 4 up 10, over 4 up to 10, yes indeed. So that is going to be straight down below. And that's it for your vocabulary. Great job.